Exactly. Can you, what would you do as your first step? Okay, we're trying to solve for x. Question, do you think we will multiply by the reciprocal or take the square root?
The reciprocal.
She says the reciprocal. Thumbs up, thumbs down. I would also multiply by the reciprocal. What is the reciprocal, Ashley? If you flip that, 5 over 2. Yeah, 5 over 2. Ashley, when I multiply across, what happens?
They cancel out.
Correct. What are you left with?
A 1.
Yeah, this is all a 1. So what's left over here?
X plus
And the other stuff? Parentheses.
3.
And how about over here? You can multiply across. What do you get?
Over
25 over 2. Sophie, what's next? How do you get rid of the x bar? Take the square root. Jesus, what's next?
X plus 3 equals radical 25 over 2.
Yeah, right here I'm going to split it. Radical 25 over radical 2. Jesus, does that look accurately? Is that accurate?
No. There shouldn't be a radical under the denominator.
Well, they're both inside the radical, so you can separate it. That's a property of radicals in division. Does everything else look okay? Pamela, what's missing there? Partner A, tell partner B, what's missing up there? Pamela, what's missing? Jesus, what's missing?
There can be a radical in the denominator, so you have to multiply by.
Pamela, what's missing? Jesus, what's missing?
Plus 9.
Raise your hand if you saw that. That was Friday's lesson. Alright, so here we have x plus 3 equals, class, what's the square root of 25? Everyone saying no, no. You cannot have a radical in the denominator. RTD. Rationalize the denominator. Say it. If you leave it a radical in the denominator of your fraction, you will be penalized. It's not simplified. How do you rationalize it? You just multiply it by whatever you have in the denominator. So that's radical 2 over radical 2. So I have, let's just subtract 3 because we're at it. When you subtract 3, it goes in the front there. So x equals negative 3 plus or minus 5 radical 2. So you're just multiplying across over 2. And this would be an exact answer. Raise your hand if you got that. So in this problem we learned to get the parentheses in the power of 2 isolated. when you take the square root, make sure there is no square root in the denominator. If there's the case, you can rationalize the denominator. And don't forget your plus or minus.